Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to display different banner images for mobile and desktop in your Shopify store? In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to set responsive hero banners so your store looks amazing on my device. Let's jump in. Most Shopify themes only let you upload one banner image, which may look perfect on desktop but gets cropped on mobile. Today, to improve user experience and make your design more professional, you can show a horizontal banner for a desktop and a taller vertical one for mobile. So, first of all, create and upload two versions of your banner. Desktop versions size like 1800 into 6000, mobile version tall 1000 and 1200 pixel. Upload them in Shopify admin, then click content, then files, or directly while customizing the theme, and upload your banner here from your computer. Now go to online store, then themes, then click customize your active themes. Find the hero image or banner section you want to edit. Like image banner. Most themes use an image with text or slideshow section. If your theme allows custom blocks or code, that's where we will make the magic happen. If your theme supports custom HTML or liquid, follow this simple method. Go to online store, then themes. From themes, click on the three dot icon, then edit code. Open the section you are using, for example, banner.liquid. Search for banner.liquid or image banner.liquid. Now insert this code where your image appear. Just replace the file names with the correct ones you uploaded. This code uses CSS to switch images based on screen size. Then click save from here. Then go to your store. On desktop, you should see your white banner. In mobile, refresh and you should see your mobile optimized version. If it doesn't change, try clearing your cache or using incognito mode. And that's how you show different banner images for mobile and desktop in Shopify. No app needed. Found this video helpful? Smash that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you want a video on custom mobile layouts or homepage design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.